Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. I just got my Kylie Jenner by KKW Fragrance and I got two of them. Originally I was just gonna do one. You guys seem to really like my compare and contrast, so I got two because I was really torn between these two. They're both different, but I just liked how both of them sounded, so yeah. Timestamps are gonna be in the description below for when certain notes begin, when my review is, and then Mike is gonna give me his opinion too, so you'll have two different reviews basically, and we're gonna individually pick which of these two are our favorites. I'm gonna open them up, but so far the packaging looks very cute. These lips remind me so much of the big lip phones that I had growing up. I was about to say when we were growing up, but I don't know how old all of you guys are. I am about to be 26 in October 5th. It's coming up real soon, and I'm like, no, I'm 25. I don't want to age anymore, but it's okay. I want to always be proudly how old I am. Even if I'm 83, I'm still gonna be proud, and I'll say it proudly. I'm 83, everybody, you know. But anyways, so for my birthday, I think I'm gonna go parasailing. I've never been, and I don't really have a lot of friends here because I just moved here about a year ago, so I'm just gonna do something with my husband. Okay, cool. The boxes are very matte feeling, very cute. The lips are, ooh, there's a little ridge there. Oh my god. What? Yeah, so they have a little ridge there, so it feels like an actual lip. That's really cool. They put a lot of thought into this. KKW Fragrances always had really nice packaging in my opinion, but this is cute too. So each of them are 30 milliliters because it's the only size. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so difficult to get out of the packaging. I know people who are on the PR list were saying, yo, this is like heavy, but it is. It doesn't feel like plastic whatsoever. It kind of feels like glass. Watch, listen. It's heavy. I want to weigh how much it is. Is that weird? I'm gonna weigh how much it is. Just weighed this, it's 8 ounces, which is half a pound. The packaging is so cute though, I love it. I also like that they did lips for their collaboration because I just feel like Kylie is all about her lips, obviously, and then even Kim Kardashian is too, you know? So, whoop. Like even this component reminds me of a phone. Like, hello? No, this is Patrick. Before I put it on, I want to read what the notes are that they describe. So the general description of this is vanilla amber musk. Okay, so opening. You have solar spices and lily of the valley. So opening is just like, that's what you smell right away. And then immediately it goes to heart, which is nude magnolia, jasmine, and peony. I really do like the smell of magnolia and jasmine, so that'll be nice. And then the finish notes, which are what is gonna be there throughout the day basically. Tahitian vanilla, vibrant amber, and musk. I'm nervous. I always get really nervous spraying these. I definitely smelled that lily, but it faded quick. Like, they're not kidding when they say barely there. It's barely there, it left. It smells really soft. Like, it's not overpowering in any sense of the word. Now it just smells like a hint of vanilla and a hint of magnolias. That's really what I smell the most right now. So this is good if you don't like overpowering scents. If you're the type of person who's like, yo, this is too sweet, this is too fruity, it is nice. I'm not obsessed with it, I'm not gonna lie to you. So how it finishes is that it finishes really nice, I'm not gonna lie. At first it kind of started out like every perfume that I smelled, it wasn't really different or distinguishing to me, but the way that it finishes is really nice. It ends with a little bit of a hint of vanilla, but it's very faint, the smell, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's already faded pretty much at this point, but if I was up in my skin, I would smell it. Like, my dog's gonna smell it, my husband's gonna smell it, that's pretty much it, you know, and I'm gonna smell it. On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being I hate it, 2 being I don't like it, 3 being I'm neutral about it, 4 I like it, and 5 I love it, I give this a 4. I like it, I'm not obsessed with it. I wish that it had a little bit more pow to it, and then I feel like I would say I love it. And honestly, I wanted to give it like a 3.5 because I'm in the between neutral and liking it. That's my real rating. But if I had to pick between 3 and 4, 4. you know, I like it more than I am neutral about it. Okay, next up, the pink lips. I swear, it's so hard to get this out.
I don't wanna do this damn thing. I wanna say, hey, oh, woman in them cold.
So, I already talked about the packaging. It's pretty much the same, except obviously it's pink instead of being a nude. Let's read the notes. So, Solar Floral Coconut. I love coconut. Coconut is one of my favorite scents to have in a perfume, which is why I got this. Because on Instagram, I initially had a poll. I was like, which of these two should I do? And you guys voted for the nude lips. Oh, by the way, like, follow me on Instagram if you want. Hey, it's Phae. The opening notes are mandarin. I love mandarin. Italian bergamot. The heart notes are solar gardenia, coconut water, exotic tiara. Finish, creamy coconut, pink musk, sandalwood, and liquid amber. I love sandalwood, I love coconut, so I can't wait. I immediately smell the mandarin, like it is uncanny. That's mandarin. So I got that mandarin out of the way. Now what I'm smelling mainly is the gardenia. So it kind of reminds me of the beach, but not really the beach. It's more specific than that. It's like a high-end boutique store in the beach that just smells wonderful. That's the best way I could describe it. And I know that's pretty weird, but that's how you describe it. I just hit the coconut, the creamy coconut. That smells really good. It also smells like, this is not a tea or a shade thing, like really high-end sunscreen. I'm not talking about the one that smells really bad, like the really, like, have you ever put on sunscreen and you're like, wow, this smells good, what? You know, I've only had a couple where it's been like that. It's like a hint of that. It smells so good. In my opinion, it's definitely not overpowering, like I said. When you first smell it, it's like fruit, but that fades away pretty quickly. Primarily what I'm getting now is that creamy coconut and sandalwood smell. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give it a 5. I love it. I could get something that I can see myself wearing on vacation, or when I just wanna remind myself of the beach, even though I live right by the beach, but it smells so good. I love the finish. And I think that's what matters the most, is the finish, because that's what you're gonna be smelling most of the day. And it feels very comforting. I like it a lot. Okay, so obviously, since I gave this one a 4 and I gave this one a 5, this is my favorite, hands down. And now I'm gonna ask Mike his opinion. Okay, so when I spray these perfumes for Mike, I have him smell the one that I sprayed when I did it, and then I have him smell a new one. So you can smell the top notes, and then also how you can smell how the bottom notes smell like as well. So he rated this perfume, the Nude Lips, a 3 out of 5. He said that he had no feelings about it. Now on to the pink lips. On a scale of 1 to 5, Mike rates the pink lips a 4. He said it was kind of nice. So obviously that means he prefers the pink lips as well. So in this household, we both prefer the pink lips versus the nude lips. So that concludes my video on the nude lips and pink lips from the Kylie Jenner by KKW Fragrance. I hope you guys found it super informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my lips right here. Just kidding, click my face right here. And if you'd like, I have other fragrance videos here that you can check out. I hope you guys have a really wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
No more second tries when you don't even try. I don't wanna do this damn thing.